YouTube. So I'm going to show you guys a tutorial on how to change your RAM on your MacBook Pro. This one is a 2011, either for early or late model. This is a 13-inch. First of all, you need to take out your panel, and then you're gonna unscrew all these Phillips screws. There are 3 of this long screw, which is going to be on this side. 1, 2, 3. Okay, this is the back. So once you remove it, you're going to have tri-point screws. One short one, which goes here, and the other one is the long one, which goes on the right hand side. And then those are the screw size. And this just give you like a comparison for the panel, long and short. So once you unscrew those 2 screws, the black screw for the battery, you want to go ahead and unclip this connector. So you're gonna lift it up, okay? And then this is what the connector look like. I'm gonna go ahead and then remove it. Tilt it in like a 45-degree angle. And then there are like a latch, plastic latch or clips right here. You gotta spread it out open. Let me zoom in real quick. Okay, there's one right here, one over here. Just pry out open, and then your RAM is gonna pop up in a 45-degree angle or 30-degree, and just make sure you pull out straight. The longer size on the left hand side, the shorter size on the right hand side, okay? And then this is 2 gigabyte. 2 gig become 4 gigabyte. So if you guys want to change it to 8 gig, you need 2 of those 4 gig. It become 8 gig. So you're gonna do that one more time to take out the bottom stack. So make sure it's all the way up, okay? PC3. So yeah, just make sure when you guys do the upgrade for your RAM, make sure the speed is the same, and then the chipset. Okay, so you want to push it back, bottom go in first, tilt it in a 45-degree angle, and then press it down until you hear a click. Then now we're gonna put the top deck. Okay, then that's it. So after that, you're gonna go ahead and install your battery. So you can see there are like a 3 screw mounting right here. Make sure your battery goes in under first, okay? And then press it down. And be sure to connect this cable back in. Got the long screw on the right hand side, and then the left screw, the short one. So this is the tri-point, okay, screws. And then your cover. So 3 of the long one goes to the back on the right hand side, middle section, and then the right hand side. And then the rest of them are just short screws. Make sure you press down firmly. You don't want to strip the head. That's why I have this hard cardboard so I could push against it. So I have enough leverage. So this one's like a unibody. So on the corner or along the edges, it's kind of in an angle. Okay, so it is not perpendicular. So just apply a little pressure so you're fine with it. And then this is the last screw. All right. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button. Turn on that bell for notification or drop in the comments on below. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one. Like always, peace.